Hi YouTube, this is a quick update of my Esk8 project. As you can see, this is a battery packet which is not really connected now. It is connected, but it doesn't have the double wirings for a better electricity flow. Also, this is a bit messy here. I must make this a bit better, but as you can see, the Esk8 is now nearly finished. I will show you now a demonstration of the motors, but before I do that, I want to tell you that I have made here everything by myself, including those motor holders, which I have a CNC mill, also those battery packets, which is a Sony VTC5A. Also the connections with the smart BMS, like from the e-bike, which I have made, and the composite. Yes, I have also made the composite, but it's looking good, but I'm not a polishing fan, so you can do this a bit better if you polish this for 1 day or 2 days because it takes a lot of time, and you have to always do epoxy or how do you say, a new layer to the polished surface, so it looks better. But I'm happy because it can be scratched, etc. So that's why I'm not too keen about polishing this to a mirror finish. Okay, now this is the demonstration. I can turn this on and start smooth, and I'm hoping to reach 25 miles an hour at least. It could go faster, but I'm not sure about the acceleration, because I have here 12S battery, and those motors will fly, I hope. That's it. Thank you, and have a nice day.